Hi friends, my name is Ashish Garg. I have done my schooling from Shirley Public School, Chandigarh, and my graduation in BCom from SD College, Chandigarh. I have got 94.5% in CAT. Talking about my calls, I got it from IIM Shillong, IIMT Ghaziabad and UBS Chandigarh. Talking about my main call, that was of IIM Shillong. It was on 18th February 2013 at Delhi. It was Hotel Mantra Maltus. I have to reach it venue around 8 o'clock. So there were two rounds. One was GD round, in which we had a case practice, and then we had a PI round. Talking about my GD round, we had a case practice. It was a case there was a company it was a selling company. They had a sales manager named Barun. Like, he had received the order of big order. Like, he has to produce 15,000 units and something like that, and they had a main supplier which can supply them around 10,000 goods at a time, and that too at a 95% quality, because there is some conflict in that company too. So Barun had an option of local suppliers also, which can fulfill their quantity but not the quality aspects. And further, he has to go to Africa also for some projects and that. So he can have the option to see the suppliers there also, so that he could get some help from them. So the case was that what should Barun do in this scenario? Like, he has to complete the order of 15,000 units, and he has to assess all the options. So we have to discuss about this case. They had given us around 10 minutes to think about the case and write it on the paper, and then we had a discussion of around 15 minutes in which we discussed the case. Like, there were around in total 9 students in GD. So it was not a fish market. I initiated the GD. It was by a chance. I initiated the GD, and then the discussion goes on for 15 minutes. It was a panel of three people. Like, one was from IIT Kharagpur and one was from Himachal. I don't know exactly where he was from. So the panel was same for the GD and PI, same panel. So can you tell, your name is Ashish, can you tell me the difference between Sheesh and Ashish? So I tell them, and they were satisfied, and they asked me 2 or 3 questions. Like, they were asking in the turn-wise turn. So first person is asking, then second, and then third. First person is over, then this came the turn for second, and then third. Like, they were asking me from academics also 2 or 3 basic questions, like, is profit your asset or a liability? So this 1 or 2 question, what is job costing and all that. Then one person is over. Then I told them somehow, I take them to the Chandigarh. Like, I told them I am from Chandigarh, the city beautiful. So this captured their mind, the city beautiful. So by chance, I think so, one person was from Chandigarh only. So they started asking me what is famous about Chandigarh. So I told them, I was prepared with it. So I told them Chandigarh is famous for that physical rock garden, Sukna Lake and all that. And I told, then he said or. Then I said ki GDP. I take him to the economic aspect, the GDP of Chandigarh, highest in the country. So per capita income and all that. Then he started asking or. Then I take him to famous personalities and all that. Then he stopped, and then came the turn for second man, the second judge. So he asked me about international affairs. He asked me, are you comfortable with it? I said ki, yeah sir, I am okay with it. So he started asking me about America and China, North Korea and all that. He took me to some event of some bombing event of North Korea, and between North Korea and South Korea. So I was little bit aware of that. So the discussion goes on, like China's recent elected president and America's vice president. Because they were asking, like, I know about the president of America, not the vice president. And they then asked me one more current affair. Then they take me, they know that I was not answering much about the current affairs, vice president of America, I don't know about that. Then they asked me, do you know about the vice president of India? I said yes, Mr. Hamid Ansari. Then they were smiling. At least I don't know why I know of India only, and that is enough for me. I should know about my country. And this was the round for second judge, and then came the turn for third judge. And I don't know, it was completely a different turn in the interview, and he started talking to me, have you seen Mahabharata ever? So I said, yes sir, I have, I had seen it on TV, so yeah. So he started, okay, so can you name your few famous personalities? So I tell him like Karan and Bhishma, I like that, all that, why I told them. So he told me, you know about Duryodhan and Yudhishthira and all that. So yeah, I told them, yeah, I know that. So he asking me, tell me the 3 positive qualities of Duryodhan and 3 negative qualities of Yudhishthira, which was a very good question, I think so. He was asking me 3 good qualities of that person which was portrayed as a very bad person in the history, and 3 bad qualities of a person who was portrayed as a very good person in history. So I think so that was a very good question that I came to know after my interview got over. I was a hockey player in my school team. Suddenly one started asking me, koi game khelte ho? So I said, yes sir, I was a member of my school hockey team. So they asked me, can you tell me the D on which position I play? Like I said, no, yeah, I play on full back position. They started asking me about the measurements and all that. So I told them. Then yeah, that was yeah. One last question was that chess. You know about? Do you play chess? I said no, I do not play chess. So they asked me, can you name the world champion? So I said Vishwanathan Anand. But I was not sure that he was world champion or not. That I told him that he defeated Boris Gelfand recently in Mexico. So I just had the idea of that. So I told them. So then they asked me one last question. Do we have a champion in double chess team, double team? So I said no sir. But they started smiling and they said, do we have a double team in chess? I said no. And this was just my interview and it got over, and at last they tell me to have some candies, and the interview was for about I think so 10 to 15 minutes, and that was enough, and some interviews was even for 5 minutes also. So they asked me to take candies and then I said them thank you, have a nice day, and then my interview got over. So this was all the process I want to share with you. So I hope you get some good information from that.